Good morning. What a great day. What a great moment. India marks the start of 75th independence, and today the program India Our Mother by Team Infinity is for the infinite. The program today is our aspiration. It is our prayer for our mother. What is our mother country? It is not a piece of earth, not a figure of speech, not a fiction of mind. It is a mighty Shakti composed of the Shakti of the millions of units that make up the nation. The Shakti we call India, Bhavani Bharati, is the living unity of the Shaktis of the millions of people. Let us collectively aspire to surrender ourselves to India, our mother. Let us wake the Brahma within.
वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् सुजना सुफला मलयज शीतला तास्या श्यामला मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी फुल्लकुसुमिता द्रुमदुलशोभि सुहासिनी सुमधुरभाषिणी सुखदां वरदां मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम्
Thank you, Neha. Namaste. Be like a flower. One must try to become like a flower. Open, frank, equal, generous, and kind. Flowers bring a touch of eternity, joy, and beauty, which lie beyond the sorrows and cares of the human world. Flowers are wordless prayers of nature and a progress in the evolution of the earth. Now, I call upon Mrs. Shushma Chamaria, an internationally acclaimed floral artist associated with World Association of Flower Arrangers and World Flower Council for the floral tribute. Please, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. It's a great pleasure for us today to share this beautiful moment of India's 75th Independence Day. My floral arrangements are a tribute to this celebration. We celebrate all occasions in our lives, and most of it is with flowers. Be it a marriage, be it a party, be it a social gathering, or a temple where we put flowers on our gods. And also, women put it in their hair. So it is a very, very integral part of our culture and society. And what better way to celebrate it on our independence? So first, I would like to speak a little bit about flowers and what they bring to us. They bring a lot of love, peace, and also they speak to us in many different ways. It's one of God's beautiful creation which He has given it to us. My first arrangement, I would like to dedicate it to all of us who are present today and who are celebrating this great moment, friendship through flowers. My first arrangement, I'm doing using few flowers and leaves. But before we go into floral arrangement, there are few basic tips which I would like to share with all of you. One is that whenever we put flowers in a vase, we just put them like this. But suppose you want to arrange flowers, how do we do that? We need some mechanics to do it. One is oasis, which we use. We soak it in water and let the water seep in so that the flowers can get their water from it. Second is a pin holder, which we put in a vase and put water in it so that the flowers can take water and stay in the place where we want them to be. With the first arrangement, I have used anthurium leaves, baby chrysanthemums, orange and white color, and lady's palm finger. I would like to show how I have done this part over here so that you will get a basic idea how I have done this arrangement. I put a pin holder in the vase and I put water in it and I put these leaves which are called anthurium leaves. Then I am adding these umbrella palm, palm fingers leaves which I have cut in the shape. Basically, flower arrangement is done to take us more nearer to nature. And also, sometimes it speaks to us that this is the way I want to get arranged, And all this comes when we are a part of nature and when we go around in our gardens. In flower arrangement, when we cut our stems of the flowers, we should cut it diagonally, like this, so that, and in the water, so that the water seeps in and then it stays in the stem. I have done this part of the arrangement, but I want to connect both the sides together. So I am using this elephant creeper here. So they look, the whole looks one piece. So this is my first arrangement. I hope you all liked it. Thank you. I'll bring out my second arrangement. I've used pandana leaves. I've taken 7, 8 of them and have put them in the vase. Like this. Now I will make few holes in this leaf over here in few places, and I put my flowers in them. Taking this barbecue sticks to make holes in them. I'm not using scissors as they will not be very good, as it will not get a very even hole. It will become zigzag. So I'm using these barbecue sticks for them. Again, my flowers are chrysanthemum. This is my arrangement, second one. I hope you liked it. My third arrangement is this, where I've used dry wheat pods and gypsophilia or baby's breath. And for the greens, I've used Dracaena leaves, which are tender ones. And basically, I've tried to use colors which are white, orange, and green as it depicts our Independence Day celebration. In this, the orange is not there, but most of them are. My third arrangement, I'm using Medulina sticks to create lines in my design. In floral arrangement, lines also play a very important role. So it makes the eye move to the design. So I'm just showing you the technique, how I have done my arrangement. I will be showing the big arrangement I have done. But just for you to know how to go about it, I'm just showing you a small video, a small arrangement. You can use any type of sticks or fish tape bar, the long droplets of anything which is little firm, and you can move them around. This is the arrangement that I have done. I've used I've added some white flowers. Which is known as chrysanthemums. Some coxcomb, celoceas. I don't know what in Bengali you call it. I have no idea. I didn't look it up also, but grows a lot in India also, in Calcutta. So whenever you cut your flowers, it has to be diagonally cut. The stems, I mean. So this is just to show you how I came to this arrangement. And anyone can do it. It's a very simple thing to do. I hope you all liked it. Next arrangement which I've done, I've used this wire which has wool around it. I've put them all in this container and give them a in and out look. I've added these bamboo strips also to it to give it another texture and layering. Here you're going to use tubes in this arrangement. This is another way of putting flowers in a vase or a container. And we put water in it. And in this I've wrapped it with this green wool wire so that it doesn't show. It becomes a part of the arrangement. Using calla lily stem. I'll add some orange flowers also in it. I put them also in tubes so that it gets water. For the timing, I'm just adding some more over here. So this is the smaller one. How we can arrange this flower is like this. Can you see it? Or shall I tilt it a little bit? This is the arrangement. This is the last arrangement where again I've used white chrysanthemums with the button chrysanthemum which is in green color, and I've used orange sticks to bring in the Independence Day look to the arrangement. So this is another arrangement for all of us. And this will be my final arrangement, the last one, which I've used pandana leaves. banana leaves and you make slits in it also. You fold it again, then you make a slit over here to get this formation. And you keep making these and putting them in the container, and then we add some flowers to it. I've used orange roses. And the next flower I will be using is, this is how it looks now. And I will be adding some statice to it also. These are the white flowers, we call it statice. So this is the last arrangement where I've used banana leaves, roses and statues, and looks like a colorful Indian flag. I hope, and I'm very honored to be a part of this celebration today. Thank you, Infinity. Thank you, everyone.
Moving on. Indian civilization has been the form and expression of a culture as great as any of the historic civilizations of mankind. Great in religion, great in philosophy, great in science, great in thought of many kinds, great in literature, art, poetry, great in the organization of society and politics, great in craft and trade and commerce. To recover Indian thought, Indian character, Indian perceptions, Indian energy, Indian greatness, and to solve the problems that perplex the world in an Indian spirit, and from the Indian standpoint, this, in our view, is the mission of nationalism.
ভারতবর্ষের মানচিত্রের উপর দাঁড়িয়ে আমি পথ হারিয়ে ফেলেছিলাম। নিঃশব্দ রাত্রির দেশ, তার উপরে একজন নিঃসঙ্গ মানুষ। অদূরে খাজুরাহ মন্দিরের চূড়া, মিথুন মূর্তিগুলি দেয়াল ছেড়ে লাফ দিয়ে উঠেছে আকাশে। নীল মখমলে শুয়ে নক্ষত্রদের মধ্যে চলেছে নৈসর্গিক প্রেম। আমি যে কোনো দিকে যেতে পারি, অথচ আমার কোনো দিক নেই। ভারতবর্ষের মানচিত্রের উপর দাঁড়িয়ে আমি পথ হারিয়ে ফেলেছিলাম।
উঠো গো ভারত লক্ষ্মী, উঠো আজি জগত জনপূজা, দুঃখ দৈন্য সবনাশী কর দূরিত ভারত লজ্জা। ছাড়ো গো ছাড়ো শোক সজ্জা, কর সজ্জা পুন কমল কনক ধন ধান্যে। উনুনি গোলহ তুলে বক্ষে, শান্তন বাস দেহ তুলে চোখে, কাঁদিছে তব চরণ তলে ত্রিংশতি কোটি নর নারী গো। কাণ্ডারি নাহিক কমলা, দুঃখ লাঞ্ছিত ভারত বর্ষে, শঙ্কিত মোরা সব যাত্রী, কালো সাগর কম্পন দর্শে। তোমার ভোর পদ স্পর্শে নবহর্ষে পুন চলিবে তরুণী শুভলক্ষে। জননী গোলহ তুলে বক্ষে, শান্তন বাস দেহ তুলে চোখে, কাঁদিছে তব চরণ তলে ত্রিংশতি কোটি নর নারী গো।
She herself answers you. I am the infinite energy which streams forth from the eternal in the world and eternal in yourself. I am the mother of the universe, the mother of the worlds, and for you who are the children of this sacred land, Arya Bhumi, made of her clay and reared by her sun and winds, I am Bhavani Bharati, Mother of India.
ঘন ধান্য পুষ্প ভরা আমাদের এই বসুন্ধরা, তাহার মাঝে আছে দেশ এক সকল দেশের সেরা। ও সে স্বপ্ন দিয়ে তৈরি সে দেশ, স্মৃতি দিয়ে ঘেরা।
After the beautiful dance performance, now we are requesting Mr. Ravi Shankar to recite his poem. Sir, please.
सबसे पहले टीम कृष्णभूमि की तरफ से आप सभी को स्वतंत्रता दिवस की बहुत बहुत बधाई। इन्फिनिटी ग्रुप के चेयरमैन हमारे प्रेरणा स्रोत आशी सर, श्रीमती सुषमा मैम, श्री पुलक सर और सभी कोलीग्स को 75वें स्वतंत्रता दिवस की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। हमारे लिए ये बहुत गर्व की बात है कि हम जिस कृष्णभूमि और वृंदावन चंद्रोदय मंदिर, वो एक ऐतिहासिक निर्माण है जो चल रहा है। इसका संदर्भ ये है कि आजादी के पहले एक किताब जो बहुत महत्वपूर्ण थी, जो शायद हमारे हाथों से गिर गई आजादी के बाद, वो किताब है श्रीमद् भागवत गीता। 1905 में जब स्वदेशी आंदोलन की शुरुआत हुई, तब कलकत्ता की सड़कों पे कुछ 50,000 लोग कलकत्ता की गलियों से होते हुए काली मंदिर गए और वहां उन्होंने विदेशी वस्तुओं के बहिष्कार का प्रण लिया। उन 50,000 लोगों के हाथों में जो किताब थी, वो किताब भगवत गीता थी। वंदे मातरम के जनक श्री बंकिम चंद्र चटर्जी श्री कृष्ण चरित्र के रचयिता रहे। बापू महात्मा गांधी के गीता प्रेम से हम सब वाकिफ हैं। श्री अरबिंदो घोष अपनी एक पुस्तक गीता एंड इट्स सीक्रेट्स में लिखते हैं, and I quote, "A certain class of minds shrink from aggressiveness. It were a sin. It is an error, we repeat, to think that spirituality is a thing divorced from life. It is an error to think that the height of religion are above the struggles of this world." The recurrent cry of Sri Krishna to Arjun insists on the struggle, fight, and overthrow thy opponents. Remember me and fight. Give up all thy works to me with a heart full of spirituality and free from dreaming, free from selfish claims. Fight. Let the fever of thy soul pass from thee. यही नहीं, अगर आजादी के आंदोलन की दूसरी तरफ जो क्रांतिकारी रहे, दामोदर नाथ चापेकर, मदन लाल ढींगरा, खुदीराम बोस, इन्होंने जब फांसी के फंदे को चूमा तो उनके जुबान पे इंकलाब था और उनके हाथों में जो किताब थी वो भगवत गीता थी। हमें उम्मीद है कि जिस इतिहास के बनने की प्रक्रिया का हम हिस्सा है और जिसका हमें गर्व है, वो दोबारा से श्रीमद् भागवत गीता, उसका संदेश और कृष्ण भावना को एक नई ऊंचाइयों तक ले जाएगा। मुझे कुछ कविता रिसाइट करने के लिए कहा गया है। इनकलाब और इश्क, इसके बीच एक गहरा रिश्ता है। 1757 से लेकर 1947 तक आजादी के जितने तराने लिखे गए, अगर आप उनको पढ़ें तो ऐसा लगता है जैसे कि कोई मोहब्बत के गीत गा रहा, एंड वाइस वर्सा। जिसके दिल में देशभक्ति का जज्बा हो तो उसके लिए देश प्रेम अलग अलग रूपों में परिलक्षित होता है। मैंने एक कविता लिखी थी कुछ 2 वर्ष पहले कैफी आजमी की जन्म शती के अवसर पे, मैं उसको आपके सामने रिसाइट करना चाहूंगा। कोई कितना भी जो मदहोश हो जाए तो क्या, कोई कितना भी जो मदहोश हो जाए तो क्या, रात का स्याह अंधेरा जो आंखों में उतर आए तो क्या, क्या मेरी शाम फकत यूं ही गुजर जाएगी, कोई आवाज कोई दस्तक भी नहीं आएगी। दूर सुनसान वीराने में खड़ा सोचता हूँ, कोई पैबंद है सीने में जिससे ढूंढता हूँ। कभी आओ तो दिखाऊं तुमको, दिल में जो जज्ब है वो गीत सुनाऊं तुमको। मुझे भी भीड़ में गुम होने का दुख है, लेकिन मैंने इस भीड़ में ही देखे हैं कुछ हंसते आंसू, मैंने इस भीड़ में ही देखे हैं दहकते शोले। ये और बात है कि रात बहुत लंबी है, फिर भी एक बात कहूं मानोगे, वो जो एक डोर हमने फेंकी थी दरिया में, सुना है सूरज उलझा है उसकी गिरोह में। आओ हर गांठ हर गिरह खोलें, तंग गलियों से निकलना होगा, रास्ता लंबा है कांटों पे भी चलना होगा। कोई जो थक के गिर गया है तेरी राहों में, उसे भी गोद में तुझको ही उठाना होगा। कई अरमान जलाने होंगे, लगी है आग जो उसको भी बुझाना होगा। और आखिरी लाइन कैफी की है कि जिंदगी ख्वाब नहीं ख्वाब की ताबीर भी है। उठ मेरी जान मेरे साथ ही चलना है तुझे, उठ मेरी जान मेरे साथ ही चलना है। थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you, sir, for your wonderful words. Now requesting Miss Nikita Thakur to recite her poem, please.
স্বাধীনতা, কবি গৌতম মণ্ডল। স্বাধীনতা মানে নতুন সূর্য, আকাশ লালে লাল। স্বাধীনতা মানে ছুঁয়ে থাকা ভোর, ভৈরবী সুর তাল। স্বাধীনতা মানে ফেলে আসা দিন, বোমা গুলি কার্তুজ। স্বাধীনতা মানে জাতীয় পতাকা, গেরুয়া সাদা সবুজ। স্বাধীনতা মানে প্রভাত ফেরি, জনগণ মন গান। স্বাধীনতা মানে বীর শহীদের বীরত্ব অম্লান। স্বাধীনতা মানে শহীদ স্মরণে চোখের দুফোঁটা জল। স্বাধীনতা মানে ফুলে ফুলে ঢাকা পতাকা বেদির তল। স্বাধীনতা মানে বাদল বাতাস, শ্রাবণের টুকটাপ। স্বাধীনতা মানে উচ্ছ্বাসে ভাষা, হৃদয়ের উত্তাপ। স্বাধীনতা মানে বাঁধ ভাঙা ঢেউ, বুক ভরা প্রত্যাশা। স্বাধীনতা মানে নতুন আলোয় দেশটাকে ভালোবাসা। স্বাধীনতা মানে নতুন আলোয় দেশটাকে ভালোবাসা। নমস্কার।
India cannot perish. Our race cannot become extinct. Because among all the divisions of mankind, it is to India that is reserved the highest, the most splendid destiny, the most essential to the future of human race. It is she who must send forth from herself the future religion of the entire world, the eternal religion, which is to harmonize all religion, science, philosophies, and make mankind one soul.
ও আমার দেশের মাটি, তোমার পরে ঠেকাই মাথা। ও আমার দেশের মাটি, তোমার পরে ঠেকাই মাথা। তোমাতে বিশ্বময়ী, তোমাতে বিশ্বমায়ের আঁচল পাতা। ও আমার দেশ পরে ঠেকাই মাথা। ও আমার দেশের মাটি, তোমার পরে ঠেকাই মাথা।
ভারত মাতা কি জয়। কবি উৎপল কুমার ধারা। কালো মেঘ ছিঁড়ে আকাশের বুকে মুক্তি সূর্য একে, বাতাসের ঢেউয়ে পাখি ডানা মেলে রোদ্দুর গায়ে মেখে। নির্ভয় শিশু চলেছে এগিয়ে, দূরে ঠেলে যত ভয়। বাতাসে বাতাসে গান ভেসে ওঠে, ভারত মাতা কি জয়। প্রাণ দিয়ে যারা করলো স্বাধীন আমাদের দেশটাকে, শক্ত শিকল ছিঁড়েই মুক্ত করলো ভারত মাকে। ভারত ভূমিতে নতুন ভোরের ঘটালো অভ্যুদয়, সাহসী কণ্ঠে বলতে শেখালো ভারত মাতা কি জয়। তাদের স্মরণে শহীদ মিনারে সাজিয়েছি ফুলে ফুলে, ভেঙে ভেদাভেদ ভুলে সব ক্ষেত তেরঙা পতাকা তুলে। তাদের জন্য আলপনা এঁকে ভরেছি আঙিনাময়, বুকটা ফুলিয়ে বলতে শিখেছি ভারত মাতা কি জয়। রক্ত দিয়ে এনেছিল যারা ভারতের স্বাধীনতা, ভুলতে কি পারি কোনোদিনও কি আমরা তাদের কথা। লড়াইতে যারা ইংরেজদের করে দিয়ে পরাজয়, গলা ছেড়ে গান গাইতে শেখালো ভারত মাতা কি জয়। ভারত মাতা কি জয়।
Come then, hearken to the call of Mother. She is already in our hearts, waiting to manifest herself, waiting to be worshipped. You who feel her stirring within you, fling off that black veil of self, break down the imprisoned walls of indolence. Help her, each of you, feel impelled with your bodies, or with your intellect, or with your speech, or with your wealth, or with your prayers and worship, each man according to his capacity. Let the descent happen with love and beauty.
বিধির বাঁধন কাটবে তুমি এমন শক্তিমান, তুমি কি এমনি শক্তিমান, আমাদের ভাঙা গড়া তোমার হাতে এমন অভিমান, তোমাদের এমনি অভিমান। বিধির বাঁধন কাটবে তুমি, চিরদিন টানবে পিছে, চিরদিন রাখবে নিচে, চিরদিন টানবে পিছে, চিরদিন রাখবে নিচে। এত বল নাই রে তোমার, সবে না সেই টান, বিধির বাঁধন কাটবে তুমি। শাসনে যতই ঘেরো আছে বল দুর্বলেরও, শাসনে যতই ঘেরো আছে বল দুর্বলেরও। হও না যতই বড়, হও না যতই বড়, আছেন ভগবান আমাদের শক্তি মেরে, তোরাও বাঁচবি রে, আমাদের শক্তি মেরে তোরাও বাঁচবি রে। বোঝা তোর ভারী হলে ডুববে তোরই খান, বিধির বাঁধন কাটবে তুমি এমন শক্তিমান, তুমি কি এমনি শক্তিমান, আমাদের ভাঙা গড়া তোমার হাতে এমন অভিমান, তোমাদের এমনি অভিমান। বিধির বাঁধন কাটবে তুমি।
One does not necessarily have to step backwards to a century ago in order to trace the source of inspiration, the mood of the moment, for it is as much valid today as it was yesterday. The country we call India, Bharata, Hindustan, is yet to relieve herself of all the bonds and chains that shackle her. Oppressors come and go, changing face and hue. In the meanwhile, the country stands her ground, at times buckling ever so slightly, at others lashing back with fury and fire. A nation is building in India today before the eyes of the world so swiftly, so pallidly, that all can watch the process, and those who have sympathy and intuition distinguish the forces at work, the materials in use, the lines of the divine architecture. This nation is not a new race raw from the workshop of nature or created by modern circumstances. One of the oldest races and the greatest civilizations on this earth, the most indomitable in vitality, the most fecund in greatness, the deepest in life, the most wonderful in potentiality, after taking into numerous sources of strength from foreign strains of blood and other types of human civilization, is now lift itself for good into an organized national unity. The task we set before ourselves is not mechanical, but moral and spiritual. This is Sanatan Dharma, the eternal religion.
संघचध्वं संवदध्वं संवो मनांसि जानता संगच्छध्वं संवदध्वं संवो मनांसि जानता देवभागं यथा पूर्वे जानना उपासते अमानो मन्त्र समीति समाने समानो मन्त्र समीति समाने समानमान सच्चितम् एषा संगच्छध्वं संवदध्वं संवो मनांसि जानता आनन्दलोके मंगला लोके विराजो সত্য সুন্দর আনন্দলোকে মঙ্গলালোকে বিরাজো সত্য সুন্দর মহিমা তব উদ্ভাসিত মহাগগন মাঝে মহিমা তব উদ্ভাসিত মহাগগন মাঝে বিশ্বজগৎ মণিভূষণ বেষ্টিত চরণে আনন্দলোকে মঙ্গলালোকে বিরাজো সত্য সুন্দর।
অহরহ তব আহ্বান প্রচারিত, শুনি তব উদার বাণী। হিন্দু বৌদ্ধ শিখ জৈন পারসিক, মুসলমান খ্রিস্টানি।
পূরব পশ্চিম আসে তব সিংহাসন পাশে, প্রেম হার হয় গাথা। জনগণ ঐক্য বিধায়ক জয় হে ভারত ভাগ্য বিধাতা।
পতন অভ্যুদয় বন্ধুর পন্থা, যুগ যুগ ধাবিত যাত্রী। হে চির সারথি তব রথ চক্রে, মুখরিত পথ দিন রাত্রি।
দারুণ বিপ্লব মাঝে তব শঙ্খ ধ্বনি বাজে, সংকট দুঃখ ত্রাতা।
জনগণ পথ পরিচায়ক জয় হে ভারত ভাগ্য বিধাতা। জয় হে, জয় হে, জয় হে, জয় 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 হে।
After the wonderful performances, now we are requesting Mr. Ravindra Chamaria, Chairman and Managing Director, Infinity Group, to share his thoughts. Sir, please.
Thank you. First of all, my compliments to all the participants for the beautiful performance. To start with my wife, Mrs. Chamaria, for a beautiful flower arrangement. It was very nice and thought-provoking. Also to Ravi for his poem, and to all the artists who have participated. My compliments and best wishes to all of them. Today is our 75th Independence Day. We all are celebrating it. Congratulations to everybody, and also my best wishes. And we are proud that yes, we are now independent. There is no doubt about it that India is now an independent country. But you know, the Independence Day, I would like to talk about independence a little bit more. You know, with the independence means you are out of shackle, you are out of your captivity. So it's, as a country, yes, we are independent, but there are many captivities are still with us. Our mind is captivated, our thoughts are captivated. There is something that happened in the past, we are holding it. There are so many things we are prisoner of. And the real independence come when you really independent in your thinking, independent in your working, independent in every respect of life. Independence is important. We have something happened 20 years back, we are still carrying on. There are thoughts which we have kept we have kept in our mind, we are still carrying on. There are certain knowledge which we feel that that's the ultimate, and so forth and so on, so on and so forth. So the most important part, according to me, is the independence of everything, be it country, be it thought, be it relationship, be it knowledge. And that will only come once you are open, once you are ready to learn, once you are ready to change. Like this independence which has come to India is also has come with lot of caveats, has come with lot of responsibility, has come with lot of things to do. Just we can feel proud of it, we are independent, doesn't make any sense. With independence, we have to understand that there is a responsibility. There is things which you need to do. You need to feel proud, at the same time you need to feel duty bound. So my message to all of you is that yes, we must feel proud, great about the independence, but we must not forget about duties, our responsibilities. And also we should we should also try and work on ourselves, that are we really independent otherwise. As a country, yes, I understand, but the country independence will also remain as long as we all work for the country, or as long as we all feel for the country. It's just not that a celebration is an important part, of course, it must come, but we must also try and learn that with this celebration there are duties, responsibilities. That's one thing. And at the same time, I would also say that it's an interdependent world, it's an interdependent planet. We should not feel alone, we should not feel that yes, I am independent, the world is over. No, it's everything is interdependent. If you look at the planet, if you look at the nature, if you look at everything, we are also so much dependent on the earth, we are so much dependent on each other, we are so much dependent on our ecosystem. So we must respect that interdependent part also of each other, that yes, we are all interdependent. It is not that yes, we are independent and there is nothing else in the world. So that's what my small message to all my colleagues, friends and associates. And I wish you all, and Anindo and your team, you have done a great job. I am so happy and proud that the way you have organized the whole thing. Keep it up. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your thought-provoking and inspiring words. Now I'm requesting Mr. Pulak Chamaria, Director, Infinity Group, to share his thoughts. Sir, please.
I don't have any thoughts as such, but I'm very happy today, and it's been captured well by everybody, and everybody's participated. All I'd like to say is I'm a bit nostalgic today. I would have liked to be in India, and I'm happy about everybody's participation. It's really lovely what's going on and what all of you have done. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for your encouragement. And lastly, I would like to invite Mr. Anindo Das for the vote of thanks.
So So thank you everybody. Thank you RC sir, PC sir for giving the sanction to do this program, and thank you Ravi ji, and thank you all the team members who were behind the scene. Thank you Shumona and for the creatives, Abhishek for the technical support, Shantanu, everybody in the team, and we will keep trying to do it every year and take this forward and take Infinity to the next level. Thank you so much. Namaskar.
Thank you all. Thank you. All the best.
Thank you. Thank you.